Flight 1469, one right, line up and wait, you got the traffic rolling in sight.
And one right, line up wait for Frontier 1469, that's party house in sight.
Flight 1469, thanks, maintain the separation, runway one right, clear for takeoff. Takeoff, maintain the separation, runway one right, clear for takeoff.
One right, clear for takeoff, Frontier 1469.
Southwest, Frontier Flight 2575. Southwest 2665, 40 visual 1 line.
Left turn to 240 approved.
240, left turn 826 Foxtrot.
Air Flight 1469, just cancel takeoff clearance one right, line up and wait.
Hey, for Frontier Flight 1469, we need to exit the runway.
Do you still want to go, or do you have to exit?
No, we have somebody up in the back, apparently.
Okay, cancel Frontier Flight 1469, just cancel takeoff clearance, and let's taxi down to Bravo for me.
Santa Bravo, you want us off on the right?
I just right turn on at Bravo here, then go ground point one.
Bravo over ground point 1, Frontier Flight 1469.
American 2244 traffic, taxi only cross one right at Sierra, ground point one.
Alright, traffic in sight, cross one right at Sierra, ground 1.9, American 2244.
American 2244 is ground point one.
Ground point 1, American 2244.